So on number 7, we're calculating the federal income tax FIT withholding for Alice Taylor. To work this problem, we're going to use a federal income tax withholding table. And on Alex, you will click on the words federal income tax withholding table, and the table will pop up. So it's going to bring up the table for married persons bi-weekly payroll. And so what you need to know is the bi-weekly salary is $1,289. The number of withholding allowances is 2. So you're going to click on federal income tax withholding table. I'm going to pop it open here. You're going to look for the $1,289. So $1,289 would be between $1,280 and $1,300. So we're looking here. 2 withholdings, so we're going here, and where they intersect right here, $84. So your federal income tax withholding for this person would just be the $84. So if I go back over here on day 16, we're just going to take the number right off the table, which is going to be the $84. So on number 8, again, we're calculating the federal income tax withholding for Linda Washington. To work this problem, we're using the federal income tax withholding table for single persons monthly payroll. So when we click on the link, it will bring up that table for us. Monthly salary $4,707, 1 withholding. So we want to make sure we look at the table under $4,707. So I'm going to slide all the way down to 4,707. So 4,707 would be in this section here, 4,680 to 4,720. We were just doing 1 withholding allowance. So if I go down from 1, my intersection there, $791 would be the amount of the withholding. And so we just look at our table there, $791. And so $791 is what we're going to go ahead and type in there for number 8. And so those tables, like I said, the link will be there. You'll click on them, look for the salary and the number of allowances, and wherever they intersect, that's the amount that you're going to put in for the federal withholding allowance. So in number 9, again, we're calculating the federal income tax withholding using the withholding tax table. So when you click on use the withholding tax table, it'll bring up the table this time for married persons monthly payroll. So we are looking at $4,921 for withholding allowances. So again, over here when I click, it's going to bring up my table. And so on my table, I wanted 4,000. Doesn't want me to move. I've got to go to 4,000 something. So let me move my table and go back over here to see what my amount was. $4,921. So 4,921, I got to scroll up a little bit. 4,920, so 4,921 would be in there. So 4,921, whoops, 4,921 would be in here, between 4,920 and 4,960. I'm doing 4 withholding allowances. So here in the table where I find where they intersect, it says that it's going to be $426. And so if I go back over here to my paper, close my ink layer there. So number 9, $426 is what our table told us for the federal income tax withholding allowance there.